Good morning, this is Nini. Okay, I have to do unboxing for you guys. This is my Christmas present, early Christmas present. And what I've got is delivered today is new microwave. I'm so happy I got new microwave as early Christmas present for 700 watts, okay, 35 minutes timer, defrost. So yeah, so it's got 2 years warranty. Actually is Gerorge Asda, made by Asda. So I'm just gonna do unboxing anyway. I'm just gonna open it now. It's a bit wet. It's like, you know, it's been raining, so I'm gonna get the warranty for 2 years and register it. Okay, so I got this color red. Can you believe that it's color red? Okay, color red. Okay, so that's the, you don't want that. And oh, it's been wet. Look. Okay, I need to take it off and I can use it. Okay, I might do slip sliding because I don't want to get that bugger off, you know. So that thing is a bit hard to come out. You know, these days, I have a problem with my hand. I cannot work too much because of my carpal tunnel. Sometimes it's really aches. Sometimes I can't opening things these days. It's really hard. And you know, when you get older, I think. So it's a bit heavy. Why is it heavy? I don't understand. Yeah, it's a bit heavy. Oh, what I'm going to do is do this slip sliding because my hands can't hold it properly. It's a bit wet. I mean the box, but it's new, you see. And because my hands is really okay. So this is my new cute. It's so cute. So it's new. It's red. I don't know why I got red, but it's good. It's a red microwave. So I'm gonna show you now. Look, this is red. On the top is got that, and this one open. How do you open? Oh yeah, when you open it, oh, like this. So the manual, everything is here. What's open? And is this, so I need to, it's got 2 year warranty. So what I'm going to do is I call them to register it, so it's better. And this is the inside one. Oh, it's really good. I got a new microwave. Thank you, Lord, for the early Christmas present. Because you know what, a microwave is really expensive these days. Yeah, that one. Okay. So that's my new microwave from Gerorge. So it's got like 17 liters. I think that's a standard, right? Yeah, that's standard. It's got 2-year warranty, so I'll try to do that later after this. And right as the lids. Cool. Or you can do online, I think, so I'll do it online. So what's inside is this. So the power, the low, the high, and then the timer. So it's easy, straightforward one. So it's got there to avoid yeah. So all this, it's got really good. So and then electric is here. So my old microwave, I'm going to keep them in the garage for in case I give to someone else. When you give, you shall give it to, you know. So this is it. So I'm just gonna open this side, I think, because no, should be this side. You think I'm gonna leave that there? No. How did you manage this? Oh yeah, that's clever. Alright, so I took that off and I'm gonna cut this like that here, according to what I needed. This tightening the cable is very important, you know. So that's my Gerorge Microwave in red color. Yeah, this is red. It's all red. So it's look like I'm gonna get something for that. It's easy. That's it. That's for today. Thank you. Thank you for my early gift. Thank you for watching. And that's my early Christmas gift, a microwave. Thank you for watching. It's me, it's Nini. Advance Merry Christmas to you guys. Hope that this Christmas is just a simple Christmas thing, a simple life, and let us be peace. Okay, have a good weekend to you guys, and thank you for watching, and have a nice weekend to everyone. See you soon. That's my vlog for today. An early Christmas present for me, a microwave from Gerorge. Yeah, thank you for watching. Bye. Oh, don't forget to hit the likes and subscribe and bell button. Click the bell. Click the bell if you could. Click the bell for more update. Thank you for watching, guys. Love you all and much love. Thank you for supporting me. I know I'm not busy but these days on vlogging, but I will try, you know, if I could have chance. Thank you for watching, guys. God bless.